Here goes the process. Look up to the screen. So, what property are we looking at right now? Power of quotients, right? Because now we have a parenthesis and the power outside. Power of quotients. So what did I say? Anything that does not have an exponent, write a 1. So for right now, I'm focusing on this one. They do have exponents. I'm going to start with the numerator. That becomes 2 to the 6th power. And this is 3 to the 4th power. Yes? From there, I said, can you simplify? If it's a small base like this one, you can simplify it. So this is 64 over 81. Hands have got to right there. Okay? Now, if you don't see it, once again, this is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. And this is 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. That's how we get that. Can I simplify this anymore? No, this is even. This is divisible by 2. This is divisible by 3. That means we're done. Unless I get a decimal. Right now, I'm okay with lowest terms on the fraction. Hands if you got that. Okay? I'm going to the next one. What do you notice on the next one? The A is missing an exponent. So I'm going to start with the numerator. Distribute, distribute. So I get A to the 5th, B to the 20th. So far, so good? Distribute, distribute. C to the 10th. And B to the 15th. Question, do we have any bases that are alike? No, so we're done. Hands if you got that. Okay? Next. This one's missing an exponent here, so I'm going to do here and here. So that's A to the 9th, B to the 3rd, over, distribute, distribute, A to the 6th, B to the 6th. All right. This one, do we have same basis? Yes, right here. So that's A. What is 9 minus 6? 3. Okay. Are these the same base? Yes. What is 3 minus 6? Negative 3. Can we leave that as a negative? No. So therefore, this is A to the 3rd over B to the negative 3rd. If you don't see it, once again, what is the reciprocal of this? 1 over B to the 3rd positive, right? And do I need to write the invisible 1 here? No. Hands if you got, oh, by the way, this becomes a positive. Hands if you got that. Okay. Let's do another practice one of these because I notice I sense a disturbance in the force. Don't copy this. Example, okay, I'm going to do some noodle exercises. Ready? Look up to the screen. Don't write. Pay attention. Here it goes. If I have x to the negative 2, what is the invisible denominator on this one? 1. So that means the reciprocal to make this into a positive is 1 over x to the positive squared. So far? Yes? If I have example super Q, I have 1 over y to the negative 3rd. What is the reciprocal? Y to the positive 3 over 1. Example mega Q. If I have x squared to the negative exponent, y to the negative 3rd exponent, do you see the invisible 1 when we do the reciprocal for both? You don't see it, but there's an invisible 1, right? Do the reciprocal for this one, so we end up with what? X to the, and over here, y to the, everybody following? Look at this one. Example, mega, oh no, Michael Jordan Q. How about that? Here we go. A to the negative 3rd, B squared, C to the negative 4th, over x to the 4th, y to the negative 5th, and z to the negative 3rd. Don't say it out loud. Look at it. Okay. Can you picture what goes in the numerator at the end? Can you remember what ends up in the numerator? All right, let's see. What stays from these 3 in the numerator by itself? b squared. Are we there so far? What from these, which one goes to the numerator? Y and z. Y to the fifth, z to the third. Hands if you set that on the numerator. Okay? Now, what didn't stay in the numerator here? A and c. So that goes down here. A to the positive 3, c to the positive 4. And what didn't move at all? X to the 4. Is everybody following? Okay, do this next one. Copy it on your paper. Example Shazam Q. Let's see how you do with this one. Let's do A to the negative 2, B to the negative 3, C to the 5th, D to the 8th, X to the negative 4, Y to the negative 6 over, let's do M cubed, N to the negative 2nd, P to the 6th, Q to the negative 5. Go. All right, check with the neighbor, see what they got. Let's see, Zachary, what you get for your numerator? Z to the 5th. Oh, C. Oh, I see. Okay, go. D to the 8th. N to the 2nd. Q to the 5th. Hands if you got that. Okay, pass someone. Seth, denominator. A to the 2nd. B to the 3rd. N to the, N to the 3rd. P to the 6th. X to the 4th. Y to the 6th. Hands if you got that. That is correct. Copy the home plate for tonight. It's only 5. Because I forgot that we're on open house mode. So copy those 4 and then I'll move it up. And log off from the AirPod, please. Copy that. Okay, I'm going to move this up. Here's the last one. As soon as you copy that, have a good one, guys. Enjoy your home play. And I hope to see some of you tonight. Okay? All right. Have a good one. Bye. Okay. Sorry, yes, this number 5, this is a Z. Let me change. Well, let me do this. This is a Z. There it is. Thank you.